Question number 2. Explain any 4 features of a democratic government. DEMOCRATIC. Democratic government. Question mark. Answer. Point number 1. Government based on the will of the people as it functions according to the consent consent of the common people. Here they are talking about the 4 features for democratic government. Now this first point, it is telling about the will and power of the common people. Okay, as the government in a democratic country, he functions according to the consent and decision of the common people. Okay, and in previous question it was about universal adult franchise. That means when a voter is registered to a particular age, specific age, that is age 18 or above, then he is allowed to vote, right? Without any discrimination. There is no discrimination according to the caste, color, creed, sex of the particular person. The person, when he is registered as a voter at a specific age, he can vote, right? India and Japan are the 2 countries which have adopted universal adult franchise. Okay, now let us come to point number 2 for question number 2. Right, point number 2. Welfare of all. Welfare, WELFARE. Welfare of all. Give colon. Right. Democratic government never look after the interest of particular caste, class or group, full stop. Caste, class or group, full stop. As it looks after the interest of all, full stop. Now here they are talking about the welfare of all, that is about the common people. Now the democratic government, it never discriminate according to the interest, that is to a particular caste, color or creed or group of people, class of people, according to rich and poor. He have to look according to the look. Okay, he will have to look according to he have to look after the interest of all. Okay, he will have to look according to the interest and decision of all, according to the welfare and decision for all in common. Okay, now point number 3. Political education. Give colon. The greatest merit the greatest merit of democracy, the greatest merit of democracy is its educative value, is its educative value, as participation in election, as participation, participation, participation in election and other political activities, make the people intelligent. Full stop. Point number 4. Democracy improves the quality of decision making, as a democratic decision always involves many persons, comma, discussions and meetings. Full stop. Many persons, comma, discussions and meetings. Full stop. Now, in point number 3, they are talking about political education. Okay, it is the greatest merit of democratic country. Why? As it gives educative values. When a person participate in election and other political activities, it make people intelligent under politics. Okay. Now, fourth one is about decision making. Now, why is the decision making process is so effective under democracy? Because as in democratic decision, it involves not only a single person, it involves many people, common people, and many discussions are made and meetings are held and then discussions are done and finally a perfect decision is taken. So, it is very much important and it is very effective in decision making. Okay. Now, your homework will be, you will read and learn the question and answers which I have given you today, and you will also revise short answer type questions. Okay. And yes, once again I am saying, don't mug up all the answers. You must know the concept for all the answers. Okay. So first you must be cleared with what the question is asking and then learn the answers. Okay. Thank you.